Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to back up and restore a Tenda router. Let's go start. Open a web browser and type your gateway IP address into the address bar. Log in using your administrator password. Then click Administration from the left side menu option. Scroll down and go to Backup/Restore Configuration option. Then click Backup under option. Starting to download the backup configuration file. Download unverified file. Go to Router Interface and go Administration option. Then click on Reset. Click OK. Reset and wait for the system to complete the reboot. Reconnect router and go to Web Interface. Then click Administration from the left side. Scroll down and Backup or Restore Configuration options. Then click Restore. Put them in the downloaded file already. Open file. Click on OK for Restore Confirm. Wait for the router to restart completely. Do not turn off the power during this time. After the restart, connect to your router using the current password. Log in the backup administrator using the password. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.